Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. This is Shayan Amjad, and today we are going to discuss on a issue which often people have to face while installing any application. For example, when recently I made a video on installing Mathematica, so often people have to face this issue that after installing this program, while cracking they have to face this issue. The issue is the program can't start because MSVCP140 something is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. So this is the issue many people have been facing, and many of my friends have requested me to have a tutorial on this, so that's why I decided to have a video on this today. So first of all, you have to head towards the link given in the description box, and after heading towards the link you will see on this website the two files here, one for 64-bit window operating system and one is for 32-bit window operating system. Now if you don't know what is your window operating system, what you actually have to do is to click on this PC and go to properties, and this will immediately open on your laptop, and you can see from here you can see what window operator is on your computer working right now. For example, in my case 64-bit operating system is working, so I will download the file according to that, and I will download this file as I have 64-bit window operating system. So just click on this, and that's it, the file has been downloaded. I have already downloaded the file. This was just for the sake of your understanding. Now just head towards desktop, and here you can see this zip folder. You just need to extract this folder here, extract here. Okay, now you can see after extracting of this folder I have got another file of after extraction from this zip folder. Now I will click on this. After clicking on this, as I have already told you, I have 64-bit window operating system, so I will click on this and I will copy this file, because this is for my purpose to resolve the issue I am facing while installing the application. Now you will head towards local disk C, and after heading towards this you will go to your Windows, and in the Windows you will see a folder system32. Let me show you here. Here is this system32. You just need to head towards here, and now you just need to paste in this folder your file which you have copied previously. Paste, and yes, you can click on this. If you are watching this pop-up, you can just replace this file in the destination, and that's it, the file has been pasted. Now go back, and now you will restart your computer, and inshallah this issue will be resolved. You can proceed your next procedure which you were doing while installing the application, or wherever you were facing this problem. This will be resolved immediately. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and stay connected with me for further videos. And one more thing, if you are facing any problem even after doing this procedure, you can consult with me without any hesitation in the comment box, and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.